It is April 14th, and here is your developer news. OpenAI just dropped GPT-4.1 along with mini and nano variants. For now, they're only available via the API. They claim massive gains over 4.0, especially in coding. SWE bench score jumped over 20 points absolute. It also supposedly follows instructions less like a confused intern and handles 1 million tokens of context, up from 128k, with better recall across that massive window using new evils like OpenAI MRCR to prove it. Naturally, it's cheaper and faster because Moore's law apparently applies to LLM inference now, with GPT 4.1 costing 26% less than 4.0 for typical queries. And they're finally killing off the GPT 4.5 preview, giving devs 3 months to migrate off that expensive research experiment. Google's trying to talk to dolphins now, because apparently solving AGI isn't hard enough. They've teamed up with the Wild Dolphin project and Georgia Tech using decades of dolphin audio to train DolphinGemma, a 400 million parameter model based on their lightweight Gemma architecture and soundstream tokenizer. The goal isn't just listening, but finding patterns and maybe, just maybe, generating realistic dolphin sounds for interspecies chat. They are even running this on Pixel phones in the ocean, planning to use Pixel 9s for real-time analysis and potential two-way communication via the chat system. They plan to open-source DolphinGemma this summer, so get ready for Flipper-as-a-service startups. Meanwhile, back in the human world, AI is actually doing something useful. An NHS hospital in London is pioneering an AI tool called DERM, developed by Skin Analytics, running on iPhones to check urgent skin cancer referrals. Medical photographers snap pics of suspicious moles, the AI analyzes them, and reportedly achieves 99% accuracy identifying benign cases, letting doctors skip straight to discharge for those patients. This is already clearing thousands of cases without specialist review, freeing up consultants for actual cancers and bringing down wait times. It's now rolling out to over 20 other NHS hospitals, proving AI can sometimes be more than just a hallucinating chatbot. Researchers at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology dropped AudioX, a diffusion transformer aiming to be the Swiss Army knife of audio generation. It takes text, video, images, even other audio or music, and spits out general audio or music controlled by natural language prompts. They built it using a multimodal masked training strategy, forcing the model to learn unified representations, and curated huge new captioned audio datasets because good data is apparently still hard to find. They claim it matches or beats specialized models while being way more versatile. One model to rule them all, Audio Edition. And in a stunning display of if you can't beat 'em, join 'em, Google announced their Gemini models will support Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This comes just weeks after OpenAI did the same thing, making MCP look like the emerging standard. MCP basically lets developers pipe external data and tools into AI models, enabling things like agentic workflows that interact with code repos, business software, or your terrible Notion setup. DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis called it a good protocol for the AI agentic era, which sounds slightly less dystopian than Skynet pre-alpha. Expect more companies to jump on the MCP bandwagon soon.